Well guys, for the 2022 model year, the Toyota Tacoma Trail Edition gets a few new features like a rear locker, lift kit, and some other goodies that may make this price worth it. Let's talk about that. So hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to another video. In front of me I have the 2022 Toyota Tacoma Trail Edition. For 2022, this thing got quite a bit of goodies that may make the price worth it. What is the price? Well, MSRP on this bad boy right here is $42,472. So as I talk about this Tacoma, I want you guys down in the comment section letting us know if you guys think that that price is worth it. So with that price, what do you get? Well, let's start off. You get a base SR5 truck, double cab, 5-foot-bed, 4-wheel drive. That price is around $35,000, $35.5. Then you add the trail package onto it, which is close to $3,800. But if you were just doing the SR5 Tacoma plus the trail package, your total would be $39,420. At that price, you're starting to get in the TRD off-road territory, so I will definitely have a video coming for you guys comparing this with my TRD off-road. So one of the main features to start out with is this front grille up here. So we do have the heritage style grille, but instead of like that gray color Toyota spelt out, we got it in bronze. There's a bunch of bronze going on this vehicle. Tons of bronze accents, as you can see down here on the wheels. These are TRD Pro style wheels, so the same exact looking wheels as the TRD Pro for this year, but they are in bronze too. And then you have Toyota spelt out on the hubs right there. It looks awesome. I really like these wheels. You may have noticed up front, we got the lack of fog lights. Kind of weird, right? So we have a lack of fog lights because this truck is actually lifted up due to a spring in the front, raising it up about 1.1 inches, and then there's a block in the rear. So no crazy Bilstein like TRD tuned added suspension to this for that price. All you have is a taller spring up front to bring the front up a little bit and a block in the rear. It still does ride comfortably, but it's kind of unfortunate that you don't have TRD tuned Bilsteins for this. Instead, they just give you a bigger spring and some blocks in the rear. But what I'm getting at with that is apparently they had to take the fog lights out for this. So if you guys look at the TRD Pro, it kind of has a little half rigid fog light. That's because Toyota said due to DOT standards, and correct me if I'm wrong, but they told me due to DOT standards with how the fog light, its height would be on the road, that it wouldn't be effective, I guess. So that's why with the TRD Pro Tacomas, they kind of have that half rigid fog lights. So with that lift too, you got the heritage grille so they could bring the radar sensors lower. And instead of being in the Toyota emblem up front, they brought in the heritage style grille and put the radar sensor down there at the bottom. You won't be able to see really any difference with the suspension from this one and another one, but they just have some taller springs in it. And in the back right there, you can see that block. Coming to the bed of the truck, a very cool thing that you do get is these coolers. So on the left-hand side, you have a cooler. These are lockable. And on the right-hand side, this is for storage. These are removable. If you don't want them inside the truck, these are removable. They just have little bolts on them and you could take them off. And the storage that you have in these things is kind of cool. So this is your cooler one, a little drain right there. Not a lot of room because you have the wheel well there. And then same with this guy here. So not a whole bunch of room. I feel like it does take up a little bit more space than it needs to. But I don't know. I feel like it takes up a bit more space back here really than needed because this is the 5-foot bed. So it takes up a decent amount of space. I mean, if you're not using your truck for total truck things and it's just a weekend getaway kind of truck, then I could see where these things would be convenient for you. Close up the tailgate, and you do have a nice trail badge right here. Color key matched rear bumper because this one does have the technology package with it, giving you blind spot monitoring. No moonroof, nothing really else special on the outside. This one does have a TRD exhaust that sounds pretty good. Black accents all the way around the truck. Army green looks killer. Coming onto the inside, again, nothing crazy special. Manual passenger seat, automatic driver seat. You do have nice tan stitching down here to match the bronze look on the outside. Inside though, typical Tacoma, nothing crazy, nothing too special, except on an SR5, we have a rear locker right there. So that is the big thing with this Trail Edition. Aside from the coolers and stuff in the back, a little bit bigger of a lift this year. You have the bronze tires, which absolutely look killer. That's it. So that is the Trail Edition in a nutshell. Is it worth that $39,420 price when you build it on top of an SR5? I mean, if you want simplicity, I guess, but I mean, for a couple $100 more, I mean, I don't even know if I have to make a video about it, but for a couple $100 more, you could get a 4-wheel drive, double cab, 5.5-foot bed, TRD off-road, and then you do have a little bit of a lift in the front too with the TRD off-roads, not as high as this, but they are built up just a little bit bigger. But then you also have the crawl control, the multi-terrain select, the downhill assist. You have all those cool little features on a TRD off-road versus going for this trail. But the trail does give you some very cool things. So let's get into the driver's side real quick to show you all, and it is not keyless entry. Why? Manual key for this truck. So getting into it, like I said, you do have power driver seat. You do also get all-weather floor mats with the Trail Edition, so that's very cool. Very standard Tacoma on the inside. The big nice thing is you do have the dual climate control. I believe that is with the technology package that you get that. No wireless charging. You can turn off your blind spot monitoring. Everything just very simple to Tacoma for what we've known from the Tacoma for the past, gosh, what, 5 years now or so. Back seat space, not a whole lot for the Tacoma. I do like a lot of the dark, nice accents in here. So the handles are all black, a nice brushed black here. Only the chrome is on the steering wheel and around the air vent. So really, this is the only chrome that you have in this vehicle is the Toyota logo and around the air vents. Other than that, everything's like a brushed aluminum look and a black look. So the inside of the truck's actually pretty nice. These door seals right here, the tech package, and also this one has a locking safe in the middle, bringing the MSRP, total MSRP of this truck, close to $43,000. Another thing too that I just realized is that my TRD off-road is an all black headliner. This one is black and white. I prefer an all black aesthetic to the inside. So if you're looking for that, then maybe the TRD off-road is your route that you'd like to go. So guys, that's about it. I don't really know what else to say about this. The upgrades that they did to this thing for 2022 are pretty cool. New wheels, the grille, the lift, the coolers and stuff in the back, rear locker, a lot of things that they put into this truck are nice. But when you ask for things, manufacturers charge you for those things. So this thing is starting to get to that price, if not already more on select models than a TRD off-road. So to each their own. Let me know down in the comments. Guys, if you're new around here, definitely consider subscribing. Returning subscribers as always. Appreciate your guys' support, and I'll catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.